The other day I went with Paolo to another awesome place, Consuegra, near Toledo. An awesome place, windmills, castle, just great. However, there was so much wind, I didn't expect it. It caught me by surprise. And with all that wind blowing everywhere, like especially on my face, I couldn't even concentrate. And most of all, I was very worried about the quality of the audio. But I decided to keep the footage anyway and to put it together because in the end, the audio is not really bad. So the microphone I'm using for vlogging and that I used also there in Consuegra, the Rode VideoMicro. When I bought this microphone, the first thing I liked was the price. It's really difficult to get a microphone from which you can get such good quality for this price. It costs like 50 bucks. I paid like 49 euros from Amazon, and this is what it looks like. I don't want to take it out, but this is what it looks like without. You can connect it to your camera or phone through a hot shoe, cold shoe, whatever. I never remember which one is hot or cold. I don't feel any temperature, but okay. By the way, you connect it to your camera or to your phone. For mirrorless cameras, DSLR cameras, and so on. You plug it in and you're ready to go. Just one important thing, to connect it to your phone, you have to use this cable for the phone. So you have to buy this separately. I've been using this in all my vlogs. I'm gonna plug it in right now so that you can hear the quality, the difference in quality from this lavalier, which is very cheap, by the way. I will talk about it in a different video. And this Rode VideoMicro. Alright, so the Rode VideoMicro is plugged in, and so I don't really need the lavalier anymore. This is the quality you can expect from this microphone out of the box without any work in post. If you want to improve the quality of the sound, you should work on it a little bit, like, I don't know, increasing the bass or treble or and so on. I used to do that a lot in the beginning with the software called Audacity. But now, let's say I'm pretty happy with the results when I vlog and I just plug this and it just works like magic. So I don't really need to do much in post. Another very good thing about it is you don't need batteries for it. It takes power from the camera. There are many people and comments saying that it drains your battery. Sorry to contradict them. It doesn't drain your battery. I use it a lot for the entire morning during the weekend, or when I do it also in my studio, my office here in my house. This microphone doesn't drain your battery. It's fine, so just don't worry about it. The batteries of the Canon M50 are not very powerful. But if you use this microphone, don't worry about it. I would like you to participate and tell me about the quality of the audio in the footage that's starting in a few seconds in Consuegra, Toledo. Tell me if it's acceptable, if it's bad. I think it's acceptable, but let me hear from you. I want your opinion. Today I'm in a place called Consuegra in Castilla-La Mancha. And what's very particular and typical about here, it's these. According to the tradition, this is the very place where Miguel de Cervantes got inspiration to introduce the windmills in his novel, where the protagonist, Don Quixote in Spanish, sees the windmills as giants. So but here is not only about the windmills, there's also a beautiful castle. Of course, the castle was built a long time before the windmills. Just looking at it, I can say it was built around the 10th or the 11th century. So also this place is awesome. So this video will go directly in the playlist that I recently created named Awesome Places. Feel free to click on the playlist and take a look at the videos in there. Some awesome places where I've been shooting, but there are not many. But hopefully I'll be able to upload more and more awesome videos there. Each one of these windmills has a name. I didn't think it was actually true, but look at that. It's got a name. Well, the place is great. It's just there's so much wind. I'm not even sure the audio is gonna be good enough, but it's definitely worth trying. I wish I could spend more time here, because it's so amazing, it's so beautiful in spite of the wind. These windmills were actually destroyed and rebuilt like during the 19th century. But I also read that when they were rebuilt, they made them exactly the way they were before being destroyed. Makes any sense? Yeah, I guess. I really enjoy Spain and Europe in general, but in the specific Spain, it's an awesome country and there's a lot of history. Everywhere I go, there are like beautiful places for what concerns both landscapes, nature, the variety of the nature, and also history with a lot of buildings like castles, in this case windmills. It's been nice. Now let's hit the road to go back. I have to go to work. We have to go to work. Yeah. It's been really nice. Very nice place. If it wasn't for the wind, because there was so much wind and it was very difficult for Paolo to shoot with the drone, and it was difficult for me even like to talk. Like it was really hard, you know, when you have so much wind blowing on your face and my hair like going everywhere and it's growing. I need to get a haircut, but you probably don't care about it, so I cut this probably blooper. Yeah.